Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while. Happy New Year, happy 2019. Today I'm going to be testing out the new L'Oreal Infallible 24 hour fresh wear, and I got the shade 460. So this is what that looks like, and we're going to be testing this out. I'm also going to be testing out the new Maybelline. Well, it's not new, it's new to me, but I think I've seen, what's her name, What Would Lizzie Do channel. I've seen her use this sponge on her channel, so I want to try it out. I've used the L'Oreal Infallible sponge, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wet this sponge down, and then we'll see how this foundation works, and we'll see if I like this sponge. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and wet the sponge down already, and it got pretty big from the size it originally was dry. And I already prepped my skin with my moisturizers. I just haven't put on a what do you call it, a primer. So what color should I use? My skin's been pretty dry lately, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and use sorry, I have a makeup bag with makeup that I took to work yesterday because I was running late. I did my makeup at work, but anyways, I'm going to be using the Joa Selfie Ready Hydrating Primer. And just because my skin's been dry, and I think because of course it's the winter months, I'm going to use this mostly here, a little around my nose, and then on my forehead, just to, and I'm just gonna pat it in, just so the blood flows to the surface. Alright, so I'm sure you've already seen reviews on this, but I'm gonna review it anyway because I want to see what it's about. So I'm just gonna pump some on the back of my hand, and there it is. It's a liquidy consistency, you can see, and fingers crossed this is gonna be a good shade, I hope. So I'll do this side with the sponge and then the other side with the brush. I think this is going to be a perfect match. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize or anything. So I still have a little left, and whatever's left I'm gonna put just where I feel like I need it more. And so far, like, it looks really good. It looks natural. I mean, you can tell it's foundation, but this is with foundation on this side, and then this side's with no foundation. You can kind of see like my breakouts right here. Not breakouts, but I get like rosacea right here, just a tad, like in this area. and then I have breakouts like here and there. So I feel like it makes my face look like airbrushed. I'm gonna go ahead and try the other side. Try doing the other side with this Morphe M439 brush. I don't know if you can see it. There we are. Okay, so I'm gonna do one pump on the back of my hand again and see what kind of coverage this gives. That's a lot more full than with the sponge, obviously, because it's with the brush. You're putting on more of the product, and sponges tend to just soak up product. But anyway, I'm just patting it in, doing like patting motions. I have still quite a bit, so I'm just gonna take it with my finger and put it on my forehead and then buff it in. It has like a perfume thing. I've smelled this. It smells like a perfume that I've used before or something. So so far I'm liking the way it looks on both sides. I feel like with the brush, of course, it's a little bit more full coverage. The sponge side is more of a sheer coverage. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and finish my makeup off camera, and then we'll be right back. Okay. All right, you guys, so I'm back and I already did all my face makeup. I changed my shirt, did my hair, and put some earrings on. I didn't tell you guys, but I did cut my hair. I'm really loving it. It looks super cute. I don't know if you guys like it. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of my hair. I did cut a lot off, maybe about a good 10 inches or maybe more. I don't even know, to be honest, but I was just ready for change, and so I cut my hair off. What better way to start off with like my hair? But anyways, back to the foundation. So far I really like the way it makes my skin look. It does give a natural finish. I mean, you can obviously tell that it's foundation on the skin, but it gives it a really nice flawless look. I like it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and wear it throughout the day. I don't get off of work till 6, so hopefully I can check in while I'm at work. Maybe do one check-in, and if I can't, then I'll just check in after work and let you know what I think about the foundation. I did set it with the number 7 translucent setting powder. This one's in translucent perfect light loose powder, so that's what that looks like there. I did use that to set my whole face, just to give it a pretty good, you know, review to see how it really does work with powder. I didn't use anything else like a different color powder or anything like that. I just used the loose setting powder just to set it. And in case you're wondering what I have on my lips, it's just Lolita from Kat Von D. This is an OG lipstick. I really love it. Or liquid lip or whatever. I prefer these over the Kylie Jenner ones. The Kylie Jenner ones are good, but I prefer the Kat Von D. They're more comfortable on the lips. But anyway, I will see you guys in a few hours, let you know what I think, if not by the end of the night. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day for me. It's about 7:40. I just got off of work about 6:45, and then I stopped at my mom's to go pick up my son, and then came home. So anyways, oh, I'm sorry, I'm just so sleepy, so tired. Today was a long day at work, but anyways, so the foundation has been on for about, let's see, what time did I start applying in? I left my house about 9:15, so let's see, 9. So I've had the foundation on for about 10 hours, and it looks pretty good. I really like the finish of this foundation. When I applied it in the morning, it looked really nice, a natural finish. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I want to give this foundation a, oh, my lights, they just brightened up. I want to give it a 10. It did come off a little bit here in this area. I don't know if you can see, but it's because I was like rubbing my nose today a lot. Excuse any hairs you see on my face. I cut hair, so you'll see like hairs on my face, but my face did get a little bit oily in like these areas here, so just a little bit, but you can see like it's kind of shiny, but not too bad. It is a satin foundation, I believe, a satin finish foundation. Let me go ahead and check the claims just to make sure. I don't want to be giving you false information. Benefits: up to 24-hour fresh stain power, long-lasting foundation with their most lightweight, breathable texture, waterproof, transfer resistant, and sweat resistant foundation, medium to full buildable coverage foundation, natural finish. So it is a natural finish. I think it's really, really nice. My makeup went on smooth when I applied it in the morning. Like, it looked really good. Right now it still looks good. But yeah, I have some of my little pimples peeping through. I don't know if you can see right there and right there, but I really like the foundation. I'm gonna give it a 10. You know, on a scale from 1 to 10, I think it's a 10. Like, it's really good. I don't know, let me know if you guys have tried it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below about this foundation. And if you haven't tried this foundation, you should definitely give it a go. It's good. This is perfect. It's not matte, it's not dewy, it's like in between. It's perfect. It's perfect for winter. If you are oily, I would suggest setting it. I did set it with the number 7 translucent powder that I showed you guys in the morning. Oh, and by the way, I did change my shirt. I was wearing a different shirt in the morning. I changed it because it was a little chilly outside, so I just went ahead and put a thermal on. But sorry, I have like hairs from where I was cutting hair at work today. But anyway, I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, I think it's a pretty good foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this makeup off and just get ready to relax. Today's been a long day and I'm just super tired. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for tuning in, and I will be doing a giveaway in my next video, so stay tuned for that.